To warm you up during the cold weather or to heal you when you're under the weather. This ginger chai will become a family favorite that's easy to make. All the numbers you'll find on the website as always. Now let's get started. So what I'm going to do first is smash up that ginger, and you can use a mortar and a pestle or even the side of a knife to just smash it down so that it gets crushed, which allows the juices to then get released as we boil a pot of water and then just add the ginger in there. You want to boil this now until that water starts to turn color. It'll turn slightly yellowish from the ginger and all those lovely flavors getting in there. And once you get there, then you want to add in your tea. Now, before we get to that, I want to tell you how often we had this ginger tea when we were on our trip to the Philippines, because we were just living amongst family, not in the hotel, really. Basically, just slept there, I guess. But we were basically just spending all day with family, and ginger chai and the ginger chai was just awesome. And it's a big deal for me because I wasn't allowed to have tea growing up for a really silly reason. So the tea is in, and you can see the color has changed instantly. Your portion size might vary depending on how much tea you're making, but just follow the recipe. Be careful here to avoid the tea from boiling over. Just stirring it helps keep it at bay. You want to boil the tea for about 2 to 3 minutes and then add in your cardamom, which will be lightly crushed, along with your sugar or any other sweetener that you prefer. And then you can start pouring in the milk. And for a great tasting chai, that creamy texture, you want to use whole milk. So just have fun with it, because having that whole milk will give you the energy you need to just move that mouse or your finger to the subscribe button and hit like. And as you do that, this tea is looking beautiful. And the moment you see that hint of a simmer, you take it off the heat and then put your sieve for filtering the tea into your cups or your teapot, and then go ahead and filter that out, pour that out, and you're now ready to enjoy this ginger chai with your favorite cookies, biscuits, pakoras. I'll link all that down below. And if you enjoyed this ginger chai recipe, then you're absolutely gonna love my masala chai. Check it out. See you in the next one.